must fight just to keep them alive. It's the eye of the tiger.